The BODEGA Beverage Fridge 24-inch is a decent option if you need a lot of space for drinks. It's designed to fit under a counter, which is useful for kitchens or offices. The glass door lets you see what's inside without opening it, which helps keep the temperature steady. It claims to hold up to 180 cans, which is a good capacity for parties or large families. The racks inside are made of wire, and you can adjust them to fit different sized bottles or cans. The dimensions are important to consider, so make sure it fits in your space. Overall, the functionality is straightforward. It's a simple cooler. BODEGA 180 can drink cooler. The fridge does its job of keeping drinks cold. The motor is reasonably quiet, so it won't be too distracting. The walls of the fridge seem insulated enough to maintain a consistent temperature. It doesn't seem to have any specific features related to Amphours, like a portable cooler would, as it's designed to be plugged in. It's not designed to store things like cream or food items that need very precise temperatures. But it works well for beverages. The temperature control is digital and easy to use. The interior light is helpful for finding drinks in the dark. BODEGA 180 can drink cooler. For someone needing a lot of cold storage, this fridge is a good choice. The adjustable racks help to maximize the space. It's not a fancy appliance, but it does what it's supposed to. The black finish and glass door give it a clean look. It's a good size for a dedicated drink cooler. If you have a lot of soda, beer, or other canned drinks, this could be a practical addition to your home or office. BODEGA 180 can drink cooler. Pros: pleased with item, does the task, keeps cans cold, keeps bottles cold, functional fridge. Cools items, good for drinks, useful item, simple to use, serves purpose. Cons: problem filtering reviews. Temp control varies 4 degrees variation, not as accurate, temp 37 to 41 set at 38 degrees, not significant for cans, not significant for bottles, just not as accurate. Temp control issue features: 24-inch size, under-counter design, glass door, beverage cooler, beer storage, soda storage. Drink fridge, bedroom use, kitchen use, office use. The BODEGA 24-inch beverage fridge is a small refrigerator designed to fit under counters, featuring a glass door to show off drinks. It's built to cool beverages like beer and soda, making it useful in bedrooms, kitchens, and offices. This fridge can hold up to 180 cans, providing ample storage for drinks in various settings. The BODEGA 24-inch beverage fridge is generally liked for its ability to keep drinks cold and function as intended, holding a large number of cans and bottles. It's simple to use and useful for storing drinks in various locations like bedrooms, kitchens, or offices. However, some users have noted that the temperature control isn't perfectly accurate, with a variation of about 4 degrees from the set temperature, which may not be a big deal for keeping cans and bottles cold. But it's something to consider.